2. And we can do it again. God damn, man, my. Yo, guys. Real August is shit. Don't watch. Don't watch. Don't watch. Wow. Yeah, just host. I'll join via Steam. So, guys, this is just. This is just gonna be the two of us just playing Terraria. Like literally, we're playing a dead game, guys. Yeah, this is the last update. Yo, 1.15. I like cars, then. These what boys? Name it these what boys? Yeah. You're really funny. Yo, we can't. Don't say the N word. Don't say the N word. Come on. Oh yeah, I make a new player. I forgot. Classic. Yeah. Lamau. Black boots, just like me in real life. Time to make everything dark, just like my life. Guys, if you guys don't know Stampy, you guys are stupid. I'm gonna do his haircut, guys. The afro. I don't care, motherfucker. Bye. Yeah, I have a tuxedo wannabe. I have a tuxedo wannabe. Remember Paul name? We can't say it though. Alright, I'm gonna call it Uped Man. Let's go, guys. I would go for a more appropriate name like Ben. I already did. Oh yeah. Yo guys, normally everyone should have cut out this part of the video, but we don't know how to edit, guys. We don't care. What are you doing? Oh. I did your mom so hard that these nuts. Yes, guys, we're gonna play casting. Corruption cooler. I said corruption! Yes, thank you. Yo guys, let me get my PNG out so I can become a PNG tuber. Yo guys, comment anything, then I'll read it out, then I'll do it, guys. While I'm attempting to do some Minecraft parkour. Just kidding, guys. Just kidding, guys. I'm just gonna call it. I'm just gonna do some Terraria parkour while I read you guys comment, guys. Like PNG tubers, guys. Terraria parkour. Yo, I would go for bend over, but bend over is stupid. Yo, what is up? What is up? Stupid man is here, guys. With these nuts. Yeah. Cap, guys, he doesn't even have muscle. He look weak as shit. Jack. Hey yo, Max a bully, guys. Cancel him on Twitter. Cancel him on Twitter right now, guys. He beat up his friend, guys. No. You beat him up. You make him cry, man. Cancel. Wanna? Damn. Guys, comment. It's not a mistake. It's a masterpiece, guys. If you think Max is stupid. Yeah. Yo, guys. Okay. What? You good? Want me to explore with you? What game? Wait, did I just say what game? What? I said what thing? That's what I mean. Yeah, shut the fuck up, man. Like, oh, you wanna get beat up, huh? Huh? Bitch? No. Guys, Mech have a lot of ratio. He got rejected by a girl, guys. Not bullshit, guys. It's just real facts. No. Low. Alex did though, because he's trash. I accidentally made 2 wood helmets. Easy! What a good man, man. Yeah. Goes my ass. No cat didn't ask. I didn't care about your ratio. Let's see. Oh, are you Mr. Harry? It's so irritating. Rubbish like you, mate. What do you mean, mate? The left literally have nothing, mate. Ah! Oh, you're the motherfucker. Oh yeah, I heard. I'm not deaf. Yeah. You guys know, guys, I actually play this game in the worst way possible. I got my auto clicker out and I start spamming, not knowing that it doesn't fucking matter. That's how. For 24 hours. Yeah, like, oh, Pinky. Yeah, guys. But I'm not that much of a no life. Wait, maybe I am. Wait, this drop gold coins, right? Let's just go down. Fuck it. No, I don't care. No. Ah! I thought they removed pyramid from the game. Oh wait, it's not. Yo, the double. Ah! Oh wait, I got it. Fuck you. Let's just kill it. No! Get out, my friend! Get the fuck out of my porch! Yes! What? I lost connection. What the The game hates me so much, guys. Kinda say. No, guys. I don't want to get ratio cancer. What did you just say? Okay, fine. I'm turning into a peep. Yeah, I would like to ask you the same thing. Guys. Because you are cringe. Oh my god, shut the fuck up. It said found server. You made my Terraria lag with your ratio. Come on. You know, guys, one time our friend Paul, he just went into some desert by himself. Then he got a cloud in a fucking bottle. Guys, he was just joking. No, nothing much. Restart. Okay, I stopped my recording just to fix to my Terraria. No, it sucks. It just gives you like the FEMA cut thing when you upload it to YouTube. It sucks. What do you mean? Damn. Guys, my Terraria is glitched again. Oh, never mind. I'm coming. Guys, you tell me if you guys want me to ratio mech right now. Oh my god. Guys, it's not a mistake. It's a masterpiece. Yeah. Relatable to you. Okay, Meg, talk to yourself for like I don't know, 3 minutes. Let me restart my thing. I'm gonna restart. Okay, talk. No. I'm gonna restart. Goodbye. I'll be back in 3 minutes. Oh! I am back! then I noticed this. Oh yeah. Okay, guys, this is like a cut. Like I don't have the first part of the video because my computer just crashed. Like goddamn. What? Say the what? Damn. I didn't say the C word. You mean you did? I guess. I don't care. I don't make money. Oh my god. Tap your game. Shit! Yes. He's a real gamer, guys. He play 2D pixel art, little bitches, dog shit, little bitches. Oh yeah. Yeah. Guys, I'm not even gonna fucking record anymore. Yo, guys, I have a big problem. You don't watch it, guys? My girlfriend. Guys, there's a big problem. I cannot join. Yeah, sure. Technical difficult. Hey, guys. No way. Yeah, guys, like, if we get demonetized, screw that, guys. Like, we made like 1 cent. You know what? We don't even make a cent. We don't even make shit, bro. Like, all we make it is for our friends to laugh at. Like, oh my god, it's so cringe. Ah! Ah! Yes, guys. Joining jokes, Mo! It's so ratio! I'm back. Yo, give me stuff, man! No, they don't. Bro, get it yourself! I got it like 1 day, man. Stupid bitch. You just killed the gorilla king a bit. Can you get it? You little monkey. Yo, man, can you give me some cactus? Can you give me some big cactus? Give me some cactus. You Iran? Oh my god, man. Oh, thank you. Let me see. Prof. Just play it. Oh, I want to be tank. Fuck, fine. Fuck it. Yeah, I know. That's why I like it. Fine, I'll be melee. You just put warding, then max armor like Solar or Turtle. Oh yeah, Beetle. I have axe already. Guy, you idiot! Get in the house! What is your name? Steve? What, are you from Minecraft? Oh, sure. stupid! Sit down! Sit the fuck down! Oh god, I haven't played this game in 10 years. Shut the fuck up! Stupid bitch! Get in! Get in! God damn. Click the... It's supposed to be some flag. What is it? What is it? What's it? Mac, what's it? Oh, I see it now. Okay, I got it. Yeah. Yep, there we go. Wait! Oh, yeah. It's either a zombie or it's either the wall of flesh. Yeah! Yeah, we're gonna play this plano. Yo guys, so that's this guy named Paul, the guy that got a cloud in a bottle. Like he joined our world, but then it was like, oh okay, I'll play this normally. But he actually go to T.Dark Gaming. Then he was like, oh my god, I craft the platinum coin. Like that's just stupid. Like you craft a I grabbed the platinum coin like a pole. What do you mean, man? Yeah, like what if the world is possessed with what gold? Oh, that worked. Like I got a ruthless zombie arm. Yo, Mac, look what I got. Yo, oh my god, this thing do damage. No. What? Wait. Wait. What, Mac, what should I be, ranger or melee? I can't decide. What? Oh my god. I don't know. Which is funner? Oh, I have an idea. I got it. Make a miniature home for him first. What do you mean? Oh wait, let me check. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Yeah, it's the same height. Place the crafting table. Yeah, it's stupid. I got a zombie arm. Really good. Guys, if you guys don't know, this is a really good early game weapon. Yeah, let the zombies in. You know what? Get him, bitch! No. Yo, why do you have self-defense tile? Yeah, get him! Yeah, you. Oh, let's go! Let's go! Oh, let's fucking go! You guys, wait, my dad is calling me. Yo, I'm back. I Okay, there we go. Move. Move, you move, bitch. Let's go. Okay, I'm being melee now. I got a really good start. Where? Oh, wait, let me see. What? This thing? Got it. What? Oh. There we go. Wait, oh, let me craft some. You guys, let's have some. Why you here? I was about to say let's have some calm time, but I guess you're stupid enough to come here. Bro, this bitch, Steve. God damn. Making me lose my mind. I got it. Oh yeah. wait, make it this side, then walk up and go like this. Yeah, I'm being melee now. And I'm gonna have, I guess I'm just gonna have like a ranged weapon. Yeah, that's cool. I'm beyond Lamar. It's so hard. Bruh. Yeah. No, break the block. Yeah, play first bomb. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, there we go. It was so smart. Oh, there we go. Okay. Yeah, like if you, yeah, thank you. Like, I don't know how much you want. 2. Yeah, that's the best part of the world. Yeah, this is a really good. I told you this is a really good early game. Oh yeah, elevator. You wanna do it? Cosmetic. Wait, let me. You do that first. I'ma build the house. Click control for the thing. Oh wait, we're not gonna use normal walls, right? So just stone. How do you? Okay. You guys, we have to go to a furnace to smelt it. JK. This one. Should. Wait, let me. Let me get out my platform. I'll do this one. Yeah, it's cobble here. Fuck Minecraft. Sorry guys, sorry. I am a Minecraft gamer. Are we no longer friends? No. Yeah! True. Wait, stone brick is like the black walls, right? I see it. You have magic mirror? Yeah, I don't want to build up there. Walking down's already painful. Okay, I'm gonna go build the house. Screw you, Mac. You mean nothing to me. Okay. Wait, I'm just gonna get disconnected. You're so stupid. That is not a pro gamer. Guys, this man is a bot. He's a noob. It is, bro, it is a strat for like single player. Come on. Coming. Bro, if I lag again. Oh, yo, guys, let me tell you guys something. He showed his penis to me. Yeah, and he said he masturbate every single day. Like, goddamn. No. I'm not even 13 yet. This year I'm getting 13. What? You have a problem with young people? You're gonna die before me. Good. That's good. Hey, yo, guys, I'm gonna call the cops. This thing, do you want? What do you mean, bitch? You're such a bitch. Well, it's actually really good. No, you're the motherfucker. Shut up. What? This is right. Guys, is this guy dumb or something? What do you mean? Okay, there we go. Yeah, okay. Yeah, take the wall, bitch. I accidentally... Give me that thing now! Thank you. Yeah. Let's see what this idiot is doing. Cap. I'm gonna play like the closest oh my god, perspective is actually pretty cool. I don't know. Wow! Mac, this is not... What do you mean this is good? I'll fix it. Oh, scaffolding in Minecraft? Oh, I see what you're doing now. Oh, I've seen these houses before! Yeah, I've seen this house before. I've seen these houses before. Fuck. Guys, I'm gonna go on T-Daksha. What? T-Daksha? I just said T-Daksha. Oh. I think 4. Or maybe 3. I think you have to look like... see. What a bit. Use 3. Oh shit. Wait, the name fits so much. Stupid man died. I am. Why, Mac? Like, oh my... No, you tell me to do this. No, you tell me to do this. Yo, shut the fuck up. What do you want me to mine? No, I'm in the right here. You're in the wrong. No, I am not. Oh my god. You're such a little bitch. Ah! Do a pro gamer move! I'm gonna do a gamer move. Guys, I'm gonna do a pro gamer move. Oh my god, guys, I did a pro gamer move. Pro gamer move. That's it. Pro gamer move. I'm so cool. I did the pro gamer move. Take that. I gave it to you. I'm a nice guy. Yes, sir. Yo, I'm making campfire. Guys, this is what I do in every world. I just make them. I like it! It can regen us too. See? Like, bro, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Yo, okay. Guys, this bitch won't shut the fuck up. I'm gonna make him shut the fuck up by doing his mom. Now, guys, I actually did his mom last night. Well, yeah. Wait, I'll count. 1, 2. Wait, let me go close perspective. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't do anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What the fuck? Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What? 7 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it's symmetrical. That's alright. Oh yeah, you have thorns. Wow. Wait, what wall should it be? Should it be wood? I made that piece of shit! You won't fucking go! Huh? Do it then. Let me place it. I like placing it. No, I mean in here, not in there, piece of shit. I know, I mean in here. Do you want it wood? No, I mean in here, where I am. Oh my god, thank you. That's what I need. Guys, I'm sorry for this episode of shitty craft. No, you're a shitty one! You're such poop! Good! Just like how you ran out of excuses with your life! Huh, you wanna go, cunt? I don't sing that song, man. Like... Yeah, it's actually pretty good. That feature is actually pretty good. Yeah, I actually, bro, everything in my recommended is YouTube short. I am doing it! You call it cobblestone, and you call me disgusting! You stupid ass bitch! You disabled bitch! Guys, pro gamer move! Pro gamer move! Guys! You didn't mess it up like how you always mess with your life and with your family. No, you shut the fuck up, bitch. Cunt. Pussy. Nah, man, just accept it that you're a shitty person. Yeah. Sure. Anyway, shit, wrong one! No, you're the thing get shut, you stew! You prick cunt piece of shit! Let me destroy the shitty one! What is wrong with this game? Bro, this game is more stupid than you! Like, I thought you're stupid, but now I see how stupid the game is! He's probably capping like how he capped his whole life! It mean you have no friends? No family? You subscribe to Dream? You're lucky you're not fatherless! Rip on me! Rip on my ass, bitch! Wow. Really? Nothing happened! No! Man, abuse my ass! No, you're the one who did it, man. Like, you get stuff from creative. I'm just doing the right thing. No, you're the wrong! Shut the fuck up! Oh my god. You little piece of shit! I hate my life! I'm never gonna record with you again! You're so stupid! You're so stupid and retarded!
Wait! Oh, it's on now. Oh my god! Oh, I should have checked! Fuck! Okay, I'm doing a new recording.
Okay.